We have our own project and our own custom files and third-party packages from where we left off previously. But what if we wanted to distribute our app or project or put it into a Git repository? It wouldn't make sense to include all of the packages we depend on because they take up a lot of space, and since there are hundreds if not thousands of files each package depends on, it takes a long time to transfer those. But then the developer who just got our project will have to manually install all of those packages, and if you're depending on a few dozen, it will take a lot of time to execute all of those npm install calls each time we download a new project or take in an update. To solve that, we can create a package.json file. Among other things, it stores a list of the packages you depend on in your project. That way, when using the npm command install, it will go through that list and install everything automatically. So to create a package.json file, let's go to our terminal and type in npm init. This will ask us several questions. For now, I'll go ahead and use all of the defaults, but you can customize this for your specific project when it comes time to production. Once it's about to generate the file, it'll ask you to confirm, and I'll submit Y for yes. At that point, it should have generated a package.json file. Let's take a look at that. As it is now, it just contains all of those defaults we were prompted to modify when we used npm init. It also was nice enough to look in our node modules folder and see what dependencies we have in there, automatically adding them to the dependencies list. Another shortcut you might want to know is if you're trying to create a package.json file quickly, you can use the command npm init --yes to create one with all of the defaults. Now that we have an understanding of how to work with modules and packages inside Node, let's take a look at using one of the more popular built-in Node modules for reading and writing files.